Place the alternator on this 2004 Subaru Forester. Problem was the brake light and the battery light came on, and when I looked that up, it said it was the alternator. So I got my multimeter and I checked the output on the battery here, and I'm going to go ahead and replace the alternator, which is right here. This is the original alternator. This car is 2004, so it's pretty old. Did all right for an original equipment alternator, but it's time to go. And the first thing we want to do, of course, anything electrical, we're going to disconnect the battery here. And this is where my 10mm wrench comes in. Screw all the way off. That's loose. And there we go. Battery's disconnected. Now we can move on to the next step safely. So the next step, we're going to try to get these covers off. They look like shields of some kind. There's a bolt here, bolt here, bolt here. They're all 10mm. I sprayed them a little bit with Deep Creep, which is like a penetrating oil, because I don't know if this is So there we go. It was 1, 2, 3, and then a fourth one was in the middle. See that red mark? Go. Okay. So I think I'm going to do what I said I was going to do. I'm going to So I just wanted to demonstrate the original one that I just took out is on the right. My new Bosch one is on the left. So we're going to try putting it in. And you can see there's my product label, and I'll link to this product in the snug. So we're going to we got the alternator in. As you can see, I cleaned it up a little bit. This I painted, figured why not. Here's the new alternator. That was the 13 mil. There's this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, this little screw over here. But it's good. Belt's the right tightness, and we're set to go. So the other thing I wanted to show you was, here's the multimeter that I have. It's a Craftsman. I don't know if Craftsman's still in business or not, but these are handy to have. So I'm going to go and show you. Hopefully I'm going to switch it to volts DC, and over here So this is handy just to do some basic testing of your battery or your alternator. One of those is handy to have. So the alternator is putting out a proper amount. Previously it was only doing 11, which would have eventually drained the battery and left me stranded somewhere. So far, seems like a successful repair. And as you can see, mileage hasn't changed from the original picture. You can see that the brake light is not on. You can see that the battery light is not on. Sorry about that, sun. If I pull the brake up, there you go. So that's off. So there we go. If you like this video, if it helped, like it, share it. If you have any comments, how I could have done this better. Like I said, this is the first time I ever did an alternator in my life. So maybe you can too. Take care. Thanks for watching.